Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix thumbnails not showing on Windows 11. So if you have the similar problem, like you can see the images, you can see the documents, but it's not showing you the thumbnail, and that becomes very complicated when you have to quickly access any of your images or files. So how you can fix it? You just need to start with the basic step where you have to first refresh it and restart the Windows Explorer, because sometimes the normal Windows glitches can cause such kind of problem. So it's very easy on Windows 11. Just make a right click on the Windows icon and choose Task Manager. Now here you will find Windows Explorer. Just make a right click on it and then choose Restart. So what this will do, this will restart the Windows features, and once it will be disabled, then automatically re-enabled. And after that, you can bring up your document again, your folder where you have the issues, and now you can see still I have the issue. I don't see the preview, I don't see the thumbnail. So in the next step, what you have to do, you need to clear the thumbnail cache. The cache can also again create a problem like this, and it's very easy. On Windows search, you have to type clean mgr, and from the suggestion you have to choose this option, disk cleanup. Just click on it, and once done, you will come to this page. You have to uncheck everything. Scroll down and make sure that only the thumbnail option has been checked. Once done, click on OK, then on delete files, and wait until it's been completed, and check back if this fixed the problem. And still if you have the issues, then there is the best method to fix this problem that we will be doing, but let this be completed. All right, so now still we have the issue. So what you have to do, on your folder, on your page, on the top you will see here the three dot of see more. Just click on it and then choose options. The folder option will now be coming up, and now you have to click on the view tab, and here you can see that this option of always show icon never thumbnail, this has been checked. Now sometime even it get accidentally checked and you don't see the images, thumbnails. So what you have to do, you just need to uncheck this option, because it says always show icon never thumbnail, so it will only show you the icon. Once done, click on apply, then click on OK, and now you can see the problem has been fixed, and I can see the thumbnail of my images and files. Now in case if you have the problem, then what else you can do, you have to click on the search icon, just type view. From the suggestion, choose this option, view advanced system settings. The system properties box will now be up. On the performance section, you have to click on settings. Then on the list here, make sure this option, show thumbnail instead of icons, has been checked. It says show thumbnail instead of icons, so it has to be checked here. All right. So in case if the previous step doesn't work, then make sure you also enable it from here. Then click on apply and then OK, and then on OK again. And I'm very sure that your problem will be fixed. And if yes, make sure you guys hit the likes and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.